Y'all some bitch ass. 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 Y'all some bitch ass nigga. Like the ones that got their baby on with a home without pampers.
Typewriter start bark. No 45 now bark. Oh, Louie attack. Follow me. Original gun come to boom it up. Louie Rankin, they are my friend. Original gun come to boom it up. The sweet daddy him come back again. Dan dada, now he's a super cat man. You a dan dada. Me fling two stab under the boy with the bomber. Me lick up ninja man front teeth with a hammer. The gun where me fire man it is a typewriter. And where part me come from a rap food. Parrot me born and me go in a the ghetto slum era. The gun where me have man it don't carry trigger. You press two button and a few shots fire.
Original gun come to boom it up. Louie Rankin, they are my friend. Original gun come to boom it up. The drunk art man come back again. Hey, dan dada. Now he's a super cat man, you a dan dada. We fling two stab and the boy with the bomber. Me link up ninja man front teeth with a hammer.
I believe that Louie may be getting on the mic and roasting some of you back, so be prepared for some shots fired. And Keisha, if you have some extra bulletproof bras, I need to take one home tonight, okay? All of you are welcome to stay for the entire show. I hope you do. There's going to be some performances, and Louie will be performing some of his old school songs, some of his new songs. JD Era is on his way here, and we've got Fire Kid Steenie, DJ White Boy, and Black Stone the Place for later
Push
on.
the cloud.
Yes.
Every night time on me and the Bible scripture me tell Master God the guy you about ya. Come on, original gun come to boom it up. Louie Rankin, I am my friend. Original gun come to boom it up. The drunk art man come back again. Follow me. Termination to all DJ Louie Rankin determination.
Scared just cause you do good. Hold on. You're coming to my house. Don't you ever bring scared business to me. You're looking at the toughest rascal Jamaica.
So we heading down right now to Ox, and big things are going tonight. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Movement is nice. It's a movement. You know what I'm saying?
Very nice.
Yeah. No.
Brittany's giving us the go juice. We need the gas to go.
Yep.
The gas, thank God.
That gas. Yeah, man. Down here at Esso still.
We out here.
Yeah.
We out here. You can see the building behind me still. Popeyes and shit.
Yeah. Brittany over there.
She's giving us the go juice.
Gas and shit. And she is. Girls a trooper.
We out to the city, man.
City movements. T.O.
Your best move up, I feel shot fire. And one get shot and the body start battle to the ranking of the DJ at the control tower. Me honor for me mama and me honor for me dada. But so that it is
In pine shoes and thing, blood clot. Easy is a ruction.
One thing in our life.
Tell me now.
I don't watch what people talk.
True.
I just watch what I do.
Mr. Ronan Gilson.
Thanks a lot, guys. Keisha's just jealous because I got good credit because I'm white. Alright, you guys ready for a roast? Yeah! So Louie Rankin, he's known for having a hit song called Typewriter. What the fuck's a typewriter? He's known for other hit songs that are out of date. This is VCR, fax machine, and beep beep, where's my pager? Louie Rankin's the hardest man to come out of Kingston, Jamaica. Louie Rankin's so hard, that's because it's so hard to listen to any of his music. I prepared for this roast. I did a lot of research. I watched the movie Cool Runnings 3 times. Louie Rankin's done a lot of tough guy movies like Bellies, Shatas. Louie Rankin's as hard as my dick after I watched the movie Precious. Alright, relax guys, relax. The roast. on his chain. Louie Rankin's so old, he's gotta walk around with Hugh's diaper on his chain. Louie Rankin's so old, he's proof that black can crack.
Hold on.
Louie Rankin's so old that he's gotta take his dentures out before he takes a bong hit.
No, your mama take them out.
Louie Rankin's idea of a balanced diet is a blunt in each hand. Louie Rankin's gonna be the blackest man alive. Louie Rankin's so black, they print his face on food stamps. Louie Rankin's runs the streets just as well as Michael Jordan plays baseball. But I know why Louie Rankin, he moved to Canada, you know? Canada provides free health care for crack addicts and illegitimate children. Louie Rankin, he reminds me like Kanye West. Kanye West got 21 Grammys laying around the house. Louie Rankin's got 21 kids who's never been to his house. Soap is in India. Alright guys, let me get off before I get killed. Let's give it up for Louie Rankin. Respect. I wish you a happy birthday, man. Happy birthday.
Alright.
Much respect.
Listen, I like that.
You like that? Thanks a lot.
When you get home, tell mommy I'll be home later.
Alright. House keeps her brownie. Okay, we're gonna have to get security for the white boys tonight. Security for the white boys.
One thing in our life.
Tell me now.
I don't watch what people talk.
True.
I just watch what I do.
True.
So the little batty boy will come up here, I don't care if I'm white or in black.
That's true.
Tell him go protect you so I'm on my pussy.
Yeah! Protect us!
I'm sitting right here. Come on.
He's sitting right there. Lot of mercy. Yes, sir. You know what? The thing with reggae, after a while, it all sounds like one thing. Anyway, I went to Jamaica once, right? And you know what? Jamaica is so different. Like, everything is different. The vibe is nice, guys. I went on a resort in Jamaica. And you know what? Even their drinks are different. If you ever travel, ladies and gentlemen, and you go on a vacation, make sure you go all-inclusive, right? Because even the drinks are different in Jamaica, right? Like, I remember I was there, and I was at the swim-up bar, and I asked one of the bartenders for a drink. I swam up, I was like, hey, wagwan, Everton, wagwan, I'll get a drink. I'm gonna have a sex on the beach. Hear him not? Hold on, girl. Yo, Johnny, you see that girl that she wanna fuck me on the beach? I'm like, whoa, Everton, whoa. I want the drink, sex on the beach, the drink. He's like, oh, okay, you never said that. Well, this is Jamaica. We don't have sex on the beach, but we have back shots in the gully. Do you like that, Mr. Rankin? Good. Hey, guess who's doing their Kegels? Me. Listen, you guys ready for the next comedian? Okay. Well, you are in for a treat because this guy brought his whole essay for me to announce. etc. And you may have seen him, this is a true story, you may have seen him from Time Cop with Jean-Claude Van Damme and Rumble in the Bronx with Jackie Chan. Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr.
Thank you, Keisha. Happy birthday, Louie. Happy birthday, sir. You know, I'm kind of impressed. I thought I'd be the token white boy here. We get a DJ and stuff like that. I'm just curious. When did white people get so fucking hip? Louis, they don't get it, do they? They don't get it. The rhythm is 1-4, not 2-4. Is that right?
White boy, white people got hip when they start smoking Jamaican ganja. Get it right. You know, you smoke that shit and then you start acting black. You know what? I just fucked a white bitch last night telling me that white men start having big dicks now. Y'all get black. I gotta love y'all, cause y'all the ones that give me all these big paychecks. So I gotta love y'all. I don't give a fuck about what people say about white people. I wanna be your friend.
I want to be a good friend, sir.
Yeah, but watch what you say about me. I'll murder you.
I'm not gonna be alright. So anyway, we are here to celebrate Louie's life and career. Louie was born in St. Thomas Parish in Jamaica, shortly before the dinosaurs went extinct. Louie, I'm just curious. It is your birthday, so how old are you? If you don't want to tell us, it's fine. That's fine. He says that's my girlfriend. That's okay. That's okay. No, that's totally fine because when Louie eats pussy, he's so old that it has to be spoon fed to him. So.
Talk about that. Guess what? I don't even eat fish. I don't eat pussy. That's up to this. But let me tell you something. One thing with Jamaican man, it long till it been like banana.
Remember when I told you only one? Well, listen this. Yeah, well, here what? No, this is it. The big vacation is what you owe.